DS Masterclass. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about the simulation of Astable multivibrator using 555 timer. Okay, come let's go to the Arcade Capture CIS. As usual, you have to open the new file, new project. You can give the name of your project. Let me give multivibrator. If you want to save this project in the default location, default folder, you can click it OK. Otherwise, you can go for the browse option. Now you have to click to create a blank project, then OK. Now you know that this is the space for design the circuit. So we are going to design the circuit using 555 timer. So you have to search the 555 timer IC and you have to go to the place path wherein we are going to choose 555D. So this is available here. So 555D. So we just place it. And then we can zoom this component. So now for this particular circuit, we are in need for 3 resistors. So let me place the resistors one by one. Place. So you know that the resistor is available in passive component list. Take the resistor. And I'm going to place one resistor as such. Let me place it here. And the another 2 resistors by having rotation. So let me place one at the output terminal and the other okay. And then we are in need for 2 capacitors. So you can go and place the capacitor, which is also available in passive components. So I'm going to rotate those 2 capacitors. And I'm going to place one capacitor here. And the other capacitor. And then we are in need for one DC voltage source. So that I should go price component, which is available in source, voltage source, and DC voltage source. So wherein in left side we should have, we would like to have negative terminal so that I can rotate this one. But in left side I should have negative terminal so that we can have one more mirror horizontal. Let me place it here. So now we have to connect all these components. We're taking the wire. So we connect all those things. And also I should have one ground here so that I can extend the connection. And after that, we have to connect here. And the other end of the resistor has to be connected with pin number 3. Then let me connect pin number 8 with R3 and up to the voltage source. And then Let me connect the resistor to the capacitor, and the other end of the resistor will be connected to R3, and the same thing will also be connected to 7th pin. And let me connect this capacitor here, and the other end of C2 has to be connected to 5th pin. So let me connect in the reverse. Okay. Then the 6th pin has to be connected to this capacitor. Okay. And then from 6 we have to connect it to 2. And then 4 has to be connected with this one. Now here all connection got over. And we have to place the ground. So we go to the place, ground, only one ground here. So and then we have to set the value for all resistors. So I'm going to set the value of capacitor C2 as 0.01 microfarad. And C1 as 10 microfarad. 10 microfarad. And the DC voltage, I'm going to set it as 9. This voltage will be reflected as initial voltage across the capacitor. And for R1, I'm going to set it as 100K. And R3, I'm going to keep it as 1K. And R2, I'm going to change it to 10K. Okay, the parameters are now set. Then we can go for the netlist. Create netlist. The netlist has been created. And then we have to place the voltage marker at 2 points, one at the capacitor. So let me rotate this voltage marker for my convenience. So let me place it here. And another voltage marker here. So now we can set the simulation parameter. For that, you should go for new simulation profile. You can give any name for this simulation profile. So now I'm going to set it as, I'm going to run for 6 seconds. No, I'm not going to have here. And maximum step size is, I'm going to have 0.1 second. Live, then okay. Now we can run the simulation. Yes. So we have to trace the graph. So I trace. So here all the parameters have been selected. but we are going to have, it's enough to have only voltages at 2 points, so that I'm going to deselect all those things. Then the voltage, one is for capacitor, the another one is for output. But so let me place again the voltage marker. So now I'll run again. So now this is the output of your Astable multivibrator. Where you look at this waveform, that is voltage across the capacitor, the initial value is at 9 volts. As we set it as 9 volts in DC source. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, kindly post it in the comment box. Thank you.